Alright guys, welcome back to this reassemble series on the NP208 transfer case. And today we're going to tackle the output shaft. The output shaft consists of several different sections, and inside this main section right here are needle bearings. There's two rows of them, one on top of the others. It's held together with a snap ring on the back side. And the first thing we can do is we can pull off our oil pump gear right here. This is what drives the oil pump. We can pull that off, set it aside, and now we're going to have to put this in a vise so that we can get to this snap ring in the front of it. Alright, with it mounted in the vise, I've just got it between two wood blocks. We can access the snap ring right here. Again, we'll use our wow, what is going on with that thing? I don't think I want to do that just yet. That's probably not the best of ideas. Shit. Anyway, we can take these off. These little clips will come out. This is your synchronizers. All right. And behind here you got metal clips, but we're not really trying at this point to get this synchronizer apart. Main thing I want to do is get this snap ring right here. And I don't understand what's happening to my pliers. They've all of a sudden quit grabbing anything. I need to get that damn screwdriver back on this thing. They sure didn't want nobody to get it off. And I didn't have a bit of trouble getting the one off that one. But there is that fucking snap ring. Son of a bitch. Oh, now, let me lower you down where you can see a little better. Right here is your synchronizer ring. This little silver ring or gold ring. Now it's held in place by a little clip right here. And another one on the bottom. We can slide this thing out. If I didn't fuck up my splines, we can see the one on the bottom here. You can see it. You can see the tip sticking out right here. We'll pull that free. And we're going to turn that over the way it came off. And then we'll take out the synchronizer ring, turn it over, and hope to God I can get all this back together. Now the next section is this one big bearing here. Turn it down. Alright, this should lift out as an assembly. Now like I said, in between here there's two rows of needle bearings. As you can see them inside here, right? And here's a ring. And the needle bearings are falling out everywhere, but that's all right. Now, this ring just see it sets on this snap ring right here. Another snap ring that sits on. Now wait a minute. Now this ring goes in the top and it holds the needle bearings in place. This bottom area right here is where you got one row of needle bearings here and one row here. And other than that one snap ring that's still on there, that's your output shaft. We'll go clean it up and get it ready to go back together. Now, one more thing I wanted to add, guys, is I was looking at this shifter fork gear. I noticed inside here, I don't know if y'all can tell, see that, it's kind of wore down flat right here. And one right here, kind of got a groove flattened out in it. And one right here, it's flat. And I'm thinking that it's, since there's three of them, I think it's where it mates to that synchronizer deal. Because I'm looking at my spare and it's got a good bit of wear in it also. Maybe not quite as bad, but kind of overall it's a pretty good wear. See if y'all can see it. Pretty good wear in the middle there. It ain't quite as good as I would like for it to be. So comparing them, I kind of like this one a little better because this one's got some wear all the way around it also, but it's got some bad wear in them three areas that this one don't quite have. It's just all around it's wore down. So it would be nice if I could find a new one of these to replace this with, but I'll look and see if I can find one. Well, right now we're going to go with our spare, and we're going to not use this one because of these wire spots, and I'm pretty sure it's due to these little bastards right here where they sitting on this gear. But anyway, I thought I'd let you know we will be changing this one out also, so stay tuned for more.